Hi, in this video I will explain to you how to extract the data using Revit schedule, and after that exporting this data to the Excel template. As you know, we have an Excel template, so this Excel template requires some input. So this Excel template has been developed by someone, and he knows that we will need, for example, the facade area for each elevation in the building. So of course, why he knows that? Because they understand how the formula works of OTTV. So you also, whenever you understand more the OTTV formula, you will be able to develop better template. So this template doesn't mean it's perfect, but at least we can do some calculation and we get the OTTV, even though sometimes it's confusing. Like here, as you can see, facade area, and here north wall. It looks like north wall area, but it's not. So this one is facade area. So it depends on how did you develop your template, but it's still okay anyway. And as you know, we have some constants. We don't really need to extract this. We just put them already here. Solar factor and window to wall ratio. Yes, we have to extract it because it depends on the project. We have the percentage of windows or the glazing in each elevation, as you can see here. So now how to extract this information? As I mentioned, we will use a schedule. I click here and I select, for example, let's say I want to calculate the total area of the elevation if I think I need it. So I will go to walls and family and type. Sorry, I will bring family and type, area, absorptance parameter, as you know, alpha, u value, and there is another parameter which I think is important, which is exterior or interior, which is function, this one. So I think let me bring the area, it will be last one. Alright, as you can see, some walls they are in the interior, so they are not within the building envelope. If I go here, you see there is these walls that are interior ones. Why they are interior? Because this parameter, it's important to know that any wall is selected, you go to edit type, there is function parameter, so it's interior. It's important to make this interior because using this parameter we can filter. Now we can filter only the exterior ones because we don't really need the interior. So I can filter from now. Filter does not equal, okay, function does not equal to interior. So basically only exterior will remain. I have 4, it's true, but one of them is curtain wall, and curtain wall, they are not opaque, as you know, or as you can see, they are transparent here. So this means actually we have to exclude it. We cannot calculate because we will add this transparent area to the glazing or to the windows, not to the curtain walls. So what I can do, probably I can, okay, let's see, filter. I cannot filter by family and type. This means I will group by family and type, and I will make footer. So as you can see now, I can make things organized. So I'm grouping this family and type one side, and the other one is in another side. This one I should not include it in the calculation. So now as you can see, I have the area of each wall, and of course this area, they are not including the area of windows. Like this one, this wall, there is too many windows, as you can see here. So, and according to the template developed by this student, actually we can see facade area here, so which means including windows plus opaque. So this means I have to get the windows here. Now the issue, I don't know if these windows, okay, they are oriented east, but if I create other windows here, for example, just for the sake of explanation, I know they are not if I know make schedule for Windows, schedule for Windows, go down Windows, family and type, U value, what else, absorption, no absorption, we don't need it, yes, height and width, as you know we don't have area for and I will create calculate a new parameter, sorry, calculate parameter, so this one I will call it area, and it's equal to height multiplied by width, and I will divide by 1. Alright, now I have too many windows, as you can see, but I don't know which one is in the east and which one is in the west. So this is an issue actually, and this issue we'll solve it in the next video, which is about creating shared parameter, new shared parameters. So basically now we have the area, but we don't have the SC1 and the SC2 also. We need to find them. We cannot find, if I want to add the new parameter, I cannot find something called SC1 or SC2. There is solar heat gain, but SC1 or SC2 I cannot find them, even though if I go to the Excel template, as you can see, I need them. Solar coefficient of shading device, this one we don't have any shading devices here. So that's why it's 1 here. But when it comes to creating new options, sorry, this one I forgot, not this one. Shading coefficient of glazing, shading coefficient of, apparently this student, he didn't change shading coefficient of shading device, he didn't change the shading coefficients here of shading device. Anyway, the issue now, we don't have any parameter called either orientation to filter or to organize our data depending on the orientation, or even we don't have also SC1 and SC2. Okay, so please check the next video. I will explain how to add new parameters according to our need.